In a world where performance, precision, and passion collide, one machine rises above the rest. This isn't just a sport bike, it's a legend. Today, we dive deep into why the Yamaha R6 isn't just another 600cc. It's the 600cc. The R6 looks fast even when it's standing still. Borrowing aerodynamic cues from Yamaha's championship-winning MotoGP bikes, every inch of the R6 is designed to slice through the air, giving it unmatched speed and stability at high RPMs. At the heart of the R6 lies a 599 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine that loves to scream, producing peak power at a blistering 14,500 RPM. It demands and rewards riders who dare to push their limits. Smooth, razor-sharp throttle response paired with Yamaha's legendary reliability makes it the ultimate track weapon. When it comes to handling, the R6 is pure perfection. Thanks to its lightweight aluminum frame, adjustable suspension, and race-tuned geometry, it changes direction with surgical precision. On the racetrack or the back roads, few bikes offer this level of connection between rider and machine. In a sea of sport bikes, the Yamaha R6 stands alone. A machine forged from racing heritage, perfected through decades of innovation and revered by riders around the world. It's not just the best 600cc supersport, it's a masterpiece of two-wheeled engineering. This is the Yamaha R6, and it's built for those who live to ride.